Welcome to this video on how to simulate parts cloning with Genius Prime. Parts, or combinatorial cloning, is the generation of multi-part constructs from libraries of different genetic elements, such as regulators, coding regions, and terminators. To perform parts cloning in Genius, select all sequence files you want to clone. These can be either sequence lists or individual sequences. When selecting vector sequences, ensure they are linearized at the insertion point before simulating parts cloning. With the sequences selected, go to the Cloning menu and select Parts Cloning. If your assembly includes a linearized vector file, you can specify this using the Backbone drop-down menu. To ensure the final product is circular, select the Circular Product option. If you choose not to include a vector in your assembly, change the Backbone drop-down menu to None. The Construct Layout panel shows all the parts in the assembly reaction. Sequence lists are brown, whereas individual sequences are grey. To change the order of the parts, simply click and drag. You can also add more parts to the assembly by selecting Add Inserts. At the bottom, you can choose to save the results in a subfolder. You can also group the results by a particular part. With this set, Genius will create a separate sequence list per specified part, with all the constructs containing that desired part. With this option set to None, all combinations will be contained in a single sequence list. Genius also displays the number of combinations created from the assembly. Once you're happy with the settings, click OK. Genius will place the resulting combinations in new sequence list files, and, if specified, the sequences will be ordered by a particular part. Visit genius.com for more hands-on exercises and tutorials.